The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is Samsung's new approach to a foldable. And to tell you the truth, I really like this phone. And it feels a lot more sturdy and well thought out. The best part of the package is the fact you get to do this when you hang up the phone. Hey guys, I'm Jeevan, and this is our first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. The Galaxy Z Flip is possibly one of my favorites this year. The phone feels well thought out, well built, and pretty well executed. It's filled in a lot of the software gaps that made the Fold feel lackluster. The first thing that leaves an impression is the color. We have the mirror purple version of the Galaxy Z Flip for review, and to be honest, it's stunning. That said, the mirror finish also makes it so reflective you could use it as a mirror. I mean, you can even see my recording setup in the reflection. But let's get to the main features of the phone, which is the hinge. While overall the design is the same as the Fold, for some reason the Flip's hinge feels a lot more sturdy. I don't feel hesitant to close the phone with one hand, and I don't feel nervous when I hear the clap shut. Multiple stops on the hinge is also a welcome feature. I've used it in video calls and it works like a dream. I mean, I can just leave the phone there and just chat. That aside, the Flip is one phone that can perform so far. I mean, it's not the latest and greatest when it comes to processors, but it's good enough to do most of what I need it to. The performance is smooth when you use the phone, and I haven't had any lags on it. The small notification screen on the front is also a godsend. I hardly open my phone because I already know whether it's urgent thanks to that screen. It also acts as a viewfinder for selfies. I personally haven't tried it out, but I'll let you know how it goes. All in all, the Galaxy Z Flip has got me excited to test it further. It holds a lot of promise with its hardware and software optimizations that Samsung has baked into it. Stay tuned for our full review. And that's about it for our first impressions. Stay tuned to TechEnt for more tech news and reviews. Also, we have a new podcast, Tech and Tonic. Don't forget to catch our new episodes every Monday. We're on Spotify, Anchor, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and nearly all the podcasting platforms out there. If we're not on your favorite platform, let us know and we'll get working to get on there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TechEnt. Also share our content, it helps us a lot. I'm Jeevan, and we'll see you in the next one.